All right, this video is going to be how to find the z-score of a variable using Jamovi. If you're used to SPSS, PSPP, it's a little bit of a different setting. It can be kind of hard to find. So click the variable. Let's say we want to know the z-score of the stress scale that we did. You're going to highlight this. You want to make sure you're on your data view tab, and you're going to come over here to compute. Looks like a little calculator. And you're going to see it inserted a column for you next to the variable that you had highlighted, and it's asking you to name it. So I'm going to name my computed variable z-score stress. So this is going to give me the z-score of my stress scale. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little function bar right here, and you're going to scroll down under your math functions, down to your statistical functions, come to the very bottom. You'll notice they're all alphabetical, and you're going to choose Z. And then you're going to tell it which variable you would like the z-score of. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to tell it I want the z-score of the stress inventory that I did, and double click it. You always have to double click. Okay. So it's going to return to me the z-score of the stress variable. Click out of it, and it has it calculated. It auto-populated the column. You can minimize this so it's not in your way. It auto-populated the column, and now you can see the z-scores of each participant's stress scale score. So real quick, real easy, you can do it for as many variables as you want to. You don't have to have it right next to the one you want because you're going to have to click it in anyway. But just for the organization of your data, I always like to make sure I've started by highlighting which one I'm going to use, because that way when you click that way when you click compute, it's going to put it right there next to it. And that's how to use z-scores.